Good morning, Singapore.
So ito, paglabas natin ng Bencoolen na train station, ito na agad yung hotel. Tingnan nyo, ito na siya.
Yun na agad yung hotel. So, So, from here, this is Mami Helena and welcome to my channel. May katabi siya na convenience store. So, ito yung katabi na convenience store. Ito, mamaya bibili tayo ng food. Looking for a budget-friendly stay in Singapore near an MRT? Hi, this is Mami Helena and welcome to my Singapore series. As a frequent traveler, I always look for hotels that are budget-friendly, comfortable, and most importantly, very near the MRT station for convenience. I stayed at V Hotel Bencoolen and it's perfect if you want comfort and convenience without overspending. The rooms are clean and cozy. The staff is accommodating and the best part, the Bencoolen MRT is literally right outside the hotel. That means easy access to anywhere you want to go in the city. From V Hotel Bencoolen, you're also close to some of Singapore's top attractions. Orchard Road is just 5 minutes away for shopping, Bugis for food and local finds, and Clarke Quay for nightlife. And, of course, it's so easy to reach iconic spots like Gardens by the Bay or Sentosa, thanks to the MRT right at your doorstep. Ayan lang siya. Pasok mo, yan na. Diba? Tapos may maliit kang table. Ako ng coffee. Yan, may TV ka din. Tapos ito meron siya ditong cabinet. Ayan. Hanger siya. Chinelasan. May stickers. And ito, safe. May ref. So, siya water dito. And ito yung views siya. Ito yung view sa labas. Now, here's the best part. Singapore hotels can be pricey, but this one gives you great value in the city center. Get comfort, convenience, and affordability in one. Plus, you can save even more when you book with my discount codes. Super sulit for budget-conscious travelers. So if you're planning your Singapore trip, definitely check out V Hotel Bencoolen. It's one of my top picks for affordable and convenient stays. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides and hotel reviews. This is Mama Helena. See you on the next adventure. Bye!